don't release before you go to the well. So it will release to outside. So you have to check the well and bring your samples inside the like this, and you can feel you are in the well, inside the well, and then release. Right? Sometimes your hand is shivering, so don't worry. Just you use both the hand and then release. Who's first? Okay, I will put here.
Stephanie put 3. Nggak boleh ada bubble.
Close.
Kok jadi gue yang nge-vlog sih? Oh, oke. No.
The second one, right?
The second one,
Ada
Ran.
lada.
Yeah, it's okay.
It should
will add the
be
ladder last.
Ladder the last.
Lada is the last. Okay.
Okay, next.
Okay, next. I will try it.
Itu harus digitu-gituin ya?
Itu buat nyampur DNA sama loading day-nya.
Okay.
Oh, perfecto.
Well, so we put the DNA in this one, so then it will measure like this way. So there's a lights is in the measurement process. So through the lights, it will measure how much concentration in the sample, small one. So it will give the kind of curve. So then we check that curves under the particular the nano length and how much the concentrations under that curve, and the shape of the curve, whether it is fine or the very nicely distributed or the evenly distributed, or it's like a up and down, something like that. So first we have to do is we open the software. So these machines have the different software, so we have to open this software we call nano group software. So once we close this one, start this one, so it will come pop up this way, and it will show the kind of menu. So then you have to select what you're going to see, because there are a lot of things you can see by these machines. What we're going to check is the nucleic acid. Nucleic acid include what? DNA and RNA. So once you click here, so it will pop up the windows. It's giving if you worked last time, so you can use the same the worksheet. If you want to make a new sheets, you can use new sheets, right? So I will use the new sheet, and then they will ask the routing, the verification. So I just click verification, then it will make some sounds and starting, right? And this is the map, general map. So it will show you the x-axis is the wavelength and y-axis is absorbing, right? So as I told you, the 60 and 280 is for the DNA, and how much absorption in this way is giving the map. So and here you can see we are going to check the DNA. So in the green color, if you want to see the RNA or double strand or oligo or something like that, so you can select anyone. So but in our case this is DNA, so that's why it's the green color, and the concentration is standard one is set up to 50, right? So it's check whether it is up and upper or the lower the 50, and then the results is shows in here and here. So what we do first is they asking load the blank solution and press the blank solution. So you have to do the first blank, right? So then we start the sample. So I will show you how to keep this one, and one of you can run the next one, okay? So we use one micro. This is 1 micro. And we use the small tips, white tips, right? And we use the water, 3D distilled water as a blank. There's no DNA, just water, right? So then there's no abstract, so it's making the standard curves like a So then after it will check with the this blank is compared with the blank, right? So then we keep these ones and then just click the blank. So then what you do is,
can see here, this is especially I use for this. When I have the big
and you have to clean this with gently touch
you
with
have very
especially
small
this
molecules for
area is very sensitive, so
Pasteur or small
the-
clean
clean this one, and then you have to load your samples. I will load some of the bad samples and good samples,
Just
right?
add here.
And this each has mentioned the name. Each has samples has names, so you have to put the sample ID here. For example, I will put the number 1 here, just to mention just 3-271
Done.
or 37. It will give you
Just
which
in
samples
case
you
you
check,
just
right?
cover it.
And then you little vote tab, and then take the 1 micro samples here, like very small, and then
Make some
you keep this your samples in the middle of this well, right? Like this. It's very middle of the well, and then gently close this one, and then you click the measure button. So then it will ask, the first time it will ask like this. So whether you want to save your worksheets or something like that. So then you have to select the way where you want to.
You can see here it's like a boiling. Then Agros.js is to say it's methane or
So I save the worksheet. So then it will shows like this. Right. So now you can see the sample ID. That this is protocol date, and how much is the concentration is 4,769. It's very big amount, and this is the 1 microliters include this much of high concentration DNA, and then it will show separate how much in 260 absorption and 280 absorption, and the ratio of between the 260 and 280. So it will give the 1.99 is more than 1.8. Right, still the good, but it's some we also guessing something other than the DNA maybe also include, because it's close to 2. 2 is something like RNA, right? So then then you can see the shape of the graph is very good, right? But still the problem is this amount. So we are taking this the basic informations, and also we also confirm by the Agros.js. We load the 1 microliters of the DNA with the 5 microliters of the loading dice, and see how nice the DNA band is. Sometimes smears and sometimes broken, and how was the conditions in Agros.js also. We take first the measurements in here, and then confirm by the DNA through the Agros.js, right? If someone need to check this one, let's come.
I have a question.
Yeah.
If you keep cleaning it like that, is there any contamination?
Which one?
This
one.
You guys
You just
thermostat
Yeah,
it.
just cleaning this one.
no contamination.
And no alcohol. Just we use when you're cleaning, you are not using the same spots to clean the next samples. It's 1 spots for 1 sample, right? So if you keep like these spots and check cleaning this one, again we are not keep the same place to clean,
Next, what
right?
you do is
Right.
The program is compulsory, so we have to.
So 1 is missing. I don't know. Because there are 8 and 7.
Over there.
No.
This is exactly 16, right here.
here is 16.
Please check your neighbor.
No, maybe. Yes, no.
Or roommate.
No.
All here? No, it's a different group.
Yeah. She my roommate. Yes, no.
Okay, then
Oh no.
Ah.
You have to be-
What thing?
You had origin.
Stocks.
Oh no.
You can select from this one, saved protocol. It means you don't need to change anything. Just click, select your old protocol. Just use that one. In this case, we use the new protocol, and we have those 5. I numbered 5, right?
Yeah.
That's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Not this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is infinity, right? Then it's already 95. We don't need to change it.
Yes.
3 minutes. Also, we don't need to change, but I will show you. If we need to change, just touch it. Then change the numbers, okay? In this case, only 25 seconds, 26 seconds. And we need 3 minutes, okay? Then 3, 0, 0, 0. No,
Oh.
0. Then 3 minutes. Then 95 seconds for 30 seconds. Okay, we need to here to 60.
Yes.
60. Okay. 72 for 45 seconds. No, we need 20 cycles, right? This means cycle, okay? Cycles mean 2 from 5, 2 from 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, right? Then final extension 33 for 5 minutes. And infinity for 4. 84. And our volume is how much? 20 volume. Then it's done. You can just click run. Where is the run? Here.
Right side.
Then, okay, I click run. Okay. Your volume is 20. Is asking yes. Okay, starting take 1 hour and 2 minutes, and it will be finished around 3 o'clock and 8 minutes. Okay. It's a light heating to 105 Celsius degrees. Very hot. But we cannot feel outside. It's very good incubator. When Pcr is done, we're just waiting for Pcr running, and after that we will check by electrode gel like last time. Then we will get a result something like that.
1 hour
Okay.
and 2 minutes.